Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question. We are still using the same instruction given to answer this question, which says that we should look out for the word among the list of options provided that has the same consonant sound as in the given word, and the given word here is pronounced as jungle, jungle, and letter J is underlined. The given word is transcribed as jungle. So option A here is pronounced as breeze, breeze, breeze. Option B is pronounced as cash, cash. Take note, is short R that is in this word cash. It is not S, cash sound. Option C is pronounced as clutch, clutch. Option D is pronounced as raise, 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 raise. Option E is pronounced as range, range, range. So by this, the correct option in this list is option E. Option E, because it has the same consonant sound as in the given word. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.